hiding in the shadows like a little girl, this could be over much faster.
Kick 2 henchmen in 1 move using the line launcher. Knock down 3 henchmen with 1 remote control Batarang. Upgrade required. Use the sonic shock Batarang to pacify a henchman. Right.
They doesn't stand a chance. Not a
Oh, I forgot about that. Hey! Fuck you. Okay, so 3 henchmen with 1 remote control Batarang? No, not up there, you donkey.
Damn it. What are we gonna do?
It's gonna be weird.
Up and keep looking.
Wait, did I only get 2? Fuck's sake. Bloody typical. Oh. For cock's sake. Alright, fuck it. It'll be faster to restart with that charge.
He doesn't stand a chance. Not a chance.
He's right, you know.
Bruh.
What do I want to do again? I kind of need to do stuff that'll attract them all.
Batman's screwing with us.
Nice.
Hey, I could do this all day.
Damn.
What the? Get behind him.
Worth it.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Hey.
It could be anywhere.
It's not up there, Batman. We're fine. Nice. It's like he just doesn't want to do what I want to do. Whoop. Wait, what? That explains that. I'm not used to the remote control thing, I never used it. The way I see it, though, is that, we just insta-kill. We're pretty much done already. Because I can line launch then as well. In fact, we can do both.
Come on, wake up. Damn it, he's out cold.
If the lads can catch up.
What are we gonna
Dude, look how long it's taking for him.
Shut up and keep looking. What's that?
Oh no. Hey, bud. Alright. Now, when they wake back up.
Hey! Here!
What? Game what? Thanks. What?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Fuck me. Oh god, this is so ridiculously easy, and then my blind spots fucking, there's a whole ass person just standing right there and I just missed him. A whole ass person, oh, it's so sad. Oh, it's so depressing because of how like straightforward this is.
What are we gonna do now? You gotta find him, or we're next, you hear me?
How is that even fucking possible? The Batarang like stealthed through them.
It's the bat!
Fuck you. God, the cringe. Stupid fucking remote Batarang. There's a reason why none of you recommended that thing.
He doesn't stand a chance. Not a chance.
He's right, you know.
That man's as good as dead.
Bring him down a little further. Make things easier. In theory. Oh, thank the Lord. I just can't see why people would use this, yeah? Get up.
That's the best.
Alright, wait. One of them got up, but the other one didn't. Didn't I hit them like exactly the same time almost? With the,
Surprise, mother.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Whole ass person. How did you get that shot off? You didn't deserve that, you little cunt.
Run, Forrest, run!
Nice.
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?
You didn't deserve it, Batman. That fucking
Thank my fans.
worthless Batarang throw, you deserve death after that. Oh. Like I said, it's the easiest fucking thing. You just gotta wait for it all to work. Molding? Wouldn't you mold? Have you seen this shit? It's ridiculous. The remote control Batarang is so cringe. Watch it fail me.
Anyone got a plan? Shut up and keep looking.
Oh god, it could totally not have counted there.
Sure, buddy.
He's up. Took fucking ages the second one. Come on. Batman, we need to have a talk. We need to talk about your attitudes. You seem to be aggressively rude. Oh, he spotted me this time. Where are you gonna go, mate? Wanna die. Nice one, Batman. You did it properly this time. How's my remote doing? Oh, God. What is that? Wait, can they not actually hit me from here?
Circle him! Don't let him escape! The bat is dead!
It's gonna work. It worked like the first time, but unfortunately I hadn't figured out the first aspect, and now it like doesn't work a million times in a row. It's getting hilarious. This is something that I will outstub in the game on every time.
Here we go again.
You can't beat me. I will restart it all day if I have to. You could have backcored them. That kills them. Don't want to do that. They fall off the edge, which I need them to not die. I know it works. It will work. I'm gonna kill these fucks. And I'm gonna get all my bat symbols. Dude, how long did it take the fucking third guy this time? Damn. Oh, I can't even get all three of them, can I? Thank you.
It's the bat!
Oh, what'd I tell you guys? Oh, ye of little faith, all of you. Disgusting. Get fucked. Even killed two of them. I was just waiting for it. The game was gonna give it to me eventually. I'm gonna do the same thing every time. Too bad. I beat you to it.